As I climb up the stairs, I feel a tiny clanking in my head. But I know it's just my little things which often publicly are misread. So people say, little things, I don't have time for those. I have work to do and places to go. I suppose I could take a break, but no, I have to get that new promotion. I said relax your toes, let those shivers out through your nose. With this much stress you're predisposed to unnecessary mind commotion. Papers in a pile, but you're lost at sea. I think we can both agree you'll feel better if you would crack a smile, relax a while, and come smell the flowers with me. Look at how a rainbow is really just an upside down grin. Feel how the sun graciously pours its warmth on your skin. So they respond, rainbows, but first comes the rain. Frankly, I think water's a pain, and sunshine does more harm than good, and I can't do what my heater could. Why so negative? That's borderline insensitive. When you shield yourself from all but the bad, all that is left is to be sad. Don't be so hostile, and you will see the power of curiosity. You'll feel better if you would crack a smile, relax a while, and come smell the flowers with me.
Little things, well, I've got to say, my heart grew 3 sizes today. Thank you for your time, my friend. Today's the day my life began.
Now you walk with your eyes open for the birds and the bees. You've opened your heart, and now you're free. Was blind, but now I see. Don't underestimate how wonderful the roses can be. So crack a smile, relax a while, and come smell the flowers with me.